Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing the surprise slime challenge. And you know why it's called the surprise slime challenge? Because we don't know which items we're going to get until we pop these balloons, but we're gonna know which glue we're going to get.
Good job. So how are you guys going to split them? You're each going to get one of each and take turns?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so let's start.
We're going to be doing rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Just see, she's going to pick the balloon first, and we're going to each get one and put it in here.
Okay.
So let's get started. So I'll get one.
Wait.
No, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh, Ava goes first.
I get this one.
Okay, now Kayla, you pick one. No, pick one. Now you guys just start picking. Ava, pick one. Kayla, you pick one. Oh my goodness. Those are a lot of things you guys are going to have for your slime. Okay.
I also got a tiny one.
Okay.
I got a tiny one too.
Okay, so now I'll remove this so you guys can start opening them.
Okay. First, we're going to make our slime.
Now that you guys have your surprise stuff.
I can't open this.
Okay, I'll help you.
I'm going to pour the glue.
I think that's enough, Ava.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, here you go. And now...
What are you guys going to use for activating?
Now we're going to put the ingredients. Yeah, now we're going to put these in.
Oh, okay. Let's see, I don't know how to make slime.
Wait, what if there's food coloring in here?
Ooh, Ava's the first one to pop it. Whoa,
I
what was...
got glitter!
Oh, so there's different kinds of glitter.
Okay, now I'm gonna pop. Ooh, I'm gonna pop it in here.
No, because it's still in the package, kinda.
It's not in the package.
Oh, it's not?
Ooh. I got the other glitter. Ah!
Oh, blue, another blue.
What's in here? Ooh, I got googly eyes.
Carefully, okay? Oh, the googly eyes weren't in a packet.
And then I got this other glitter. I keep getting glitter. And I got this glitter. Oh, I got this glitter. Ooh, what's in here? Whoa. I got purple food coloring.
Ooh.
I got pink. Ooh. Whoa.
What was it?
It was my glitter.
Oh my goodness, Ava got all the glitters too.
Ooh, what's this color? I got blue. Ooh, what's it? I got this color. I got orange. Food coloring.
Wow, it looks like I got all the food coloring and Ava got all the glitters.
And I got another glitter. And I got my glitter. Put it more. I got stars. I still. got another glitter. And I'm done. Popping up. Now I'm gonna put these in here. And this here. I got pink glitter. I got a lot of glitter. Now we're gonna put our glitter in. So first, I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna start with this.
So you do the activator at the end?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna put this star one. Actually, I'm gonna put this one. Go. Get this one. And I'm gonna get this one. Look how my things go. I think I should just open it. Or
Show you how to do it.
want me to open it for you? Yes, please. Now I'm gonna pour this one in. Stars in it. And a lot of glitter. I like adding a lot. I got a lot of glitter. Whoa. Mine is covered in glitter. I think I need to add got a lot of glitter. Whoa.
Oh, you did.
I think I need to add a little more glue. A lot. Okay, now. Oh, I need a spoon.
Oh, let me go get this one.
Hey Ava, yours looks pretty. Thank you. Yours looks pretty too. Yours looks gorgeous. Thank you. Now I'm gonna mix it. Whoa. This one. Now I'll put this one. Now I'm gonna add my color in. I'm gonna add blue.
Is that like a blue-green?
This one looks
everything
pretty.
blue.
This one looks cool.
Oh wow, that one is pretty cool. Wow.
Now I think I'll mix it and then maybe put the food coloring.
Okay.
Look, guys. Whoa. It's like almost.
Wow.
Now I'm gonna put the activator in. Wow, it's heavy. Whoa, I think I'm gonna add a little bit. I just pour in a little bit at a time. Sometimes when I make a lot of slime, I just pour sometimes a lot. Whoa. Sometimes a lot. I think I'm just gonna put some more activator and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my hands. Guys, look.
Oh, wow. That's pretty good. Are you gonna add color to yours, Ava?
Okay. Now I think I'm gonna go with my hands now. And close it. This looks like red, but it's actually pink.
Okay, mix it up.
Look, it's fitting.
I love it.
Whoa. Wow. Look at it.
Mm.
Wow. I'm gonna add some seasoning.
So activated.
It's like already ready, but sticky. Ah, it's water.
Just keep mixing it.
Whoa. Ah. Eee. Wow. Nee. Eee. What happened? Look, guys. Wow. Mine is blue. Should I make another one?
Up to you.
Mommy, can I have my container?
Let me see.
Now I'm gonna look how
Let me
mine
see.
is. Now I'm gonna see how my sister's is going. Is it going good? Still, I think it's gonna get good. Yeah, it's getting good. I think I need a little. That's sorry. Little bit more. It's fine. I always get some. A little too much activated. Ah, it's like dripping right here. It's dripping. I'll just use this. Oh, I'll just leave it. Ava, you can also use your hands now. Okay. I'll take a spoon out. Now I'm going to put mine in my container. Well, I think it's... Guys, comment down below if you like my slime. Has stars. And googly eyes. You can't really see them, but and it has like blue glitter, or it looks like blue glitter, but I actually got pink.
Let me see Ava's. Oh, it has a lot of glitter too. Does Ava still need some glue or activator? Or?
I think it needs like a little bit, tiny bit of activator, because it's like sticky.
Okay, it's getting there.
Uh-huh.
Oops, did I put too much?
I think it would be good so it could like wouldn't be that sticky.
So Ava, is your favorite color pink?
My
What's your-
favorite color is blue.
Yes. And you girls got your favorite colors.
That's so cool. Comment down below if you did this and you got your favorite color. Well, I like that. Oh, and my sister's birthday is almost coming up, and we're gonna do a YouTube video on it. So this is what my slime looks like. It's still a little bit sticky, but it's okay. And we're gonna do another video on my birthday. There's gonna be a big water slide with our cousins. So we're gonna be doing a YouTube video when it's my birthday, because we're gonna be going somewhere special for my birthday. And we're gonna have a special car for my birthday. It's gonna be a van. And I hope you guys liked our video. And I love you guys. And take it. We have a shout out to our little cousin Mila and April, because we heard they like our videos. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and make sure you give us a big thumbs up. And guys. I hope you liked the video. Until next time. Bye.